Ever find yourself digging through crumpled papers or frantically searching your email for that one crucial receipt? You're not alone. Keeping track of expenses can feel like a chore, but what if I told you there's a way to make it smooth, efficient, and even, dare I say, enjoyable? Today, we're diving into Expensify, a powerful tool designed to simplify your expense reporting. And specifically, we're tackling a fundamental task, creating a receipt. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just trying to stay on top of your personal finances, mastering this skill in Expensify will save you countless headaches down the line. So, how exactly do you create a receipt in Expensify? Let's explore the different methods, because Expensify offers several convenient ways to get those expense details logged. One of the most popular methods is through the Expensify mobile app. Imagine you've just had a business lunch. Instead of stuffing the paper receipt into your wallet, simply open the Expensify app on your phone. You'll typically see a prominent button, often a plus sign or a camera icon, that allows you to create a new expense. Tap it, and your phone's camera will activate. Just point it at the receipt, making sure all the important information like the vendor name, date, and amount are clearly visible, and snap a photo. Expensify's SmartScan technology will then work its magic, automatically extracting the key details from the image. You'll have a digital receipt in seconds, ready to be categorized and submitted. But what if you have a digital receipt, like an email confirmation for an online purchase? Expensify has you covered there too. Within the app, or on the web platform, you'll usually find an option to manually enter expenses or upload files. For digital receipts, you can typically forward the email directly to your dedicated Expensify email address, which you can find in your account settings. Expensify will then process the email and create an expense with the attached receipt. Alternatively, you can download the receipt as a PDF or image file and upload it directly through the app or website. Speaking of the web platform, if you're working on your computer, creating a receipt is just as straightforward. You'll typically find a new expense button. Clicking this will give you options to either manually enter the expense details, typing in the vendor, date, amount, and description, or upload a digital receipt file. This is particularly useful for those times when you're compiling expenses from various online sources. Regardless of the method you choose, mobile app photo, email forwarding, or manual entry/upload, Expensify provides fields to add important details beyond the basic information extracted from the receipt. You can categorize the expense, e.g., meals, travel, software, add a description for context, and even assign it to a specific project or report. This level of detail ensures accurate tracking and simplifies your expense reporting process. Expensify also offers features like automatic credit card transaction syncing. While this isn't directly creating a receipt from scratch, it pulls in transaction data, which you can then easily match with a corresponding receipt image. This further streamlines the process and reduces the need for manual data entry. So, whether you're on the go with your phone or working at your desk, Expensify provides multiple user-friendly ways to create and manage your receipts. By taking advantage of these features, you can say goodbye to the stress of lost paperwork and hello to a more organized and efficient way of tracking your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.